How to find your likes on Pinterest. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can find your likes and your liked photos on Pinterest. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up Pinterest.com. You can do this on your mobile phone as well, or you can open it up on your laptop or PC. So I have opened it up on my desktop here, Pinterest.com. Now, what we need to do is we're going to actually go to our account here. So at the top, you will be able to see your profile. And then we also have our account in the drop down here. Let's actually click on profile so that it's more clear. Okay, so here you can see at the top we have a drop down and we have accounts. So you need to select the account here. So this is our drop down. And you can see we have add account, convert to business, settings, and tune your home feed. So you need to select this option. After that, it will show you your Pinterest, it will show you your activity. Here, you will be able to see your interests, the boards that you have recently viewed, the pins that you have viewed, the pins you have saved and liked as well. So this is where we get all the details of our pins, all the details about our Pinterest account. And this is where you will be able to see the liked pins that you have liked. You can see this is under tune your home feed. It will also show me the videos and photos combined. This is how you can go ahead and check out the likes on Pinterest. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.